Hi, I'm Pearl Dexter. I'm here today to introduce you to the three main types of tea. These three types of tea, green, oolong, and black, are the main three types of tea. They all come from the same plant, Camellia sinensis, but there are many other types, and there are many ways to manufacture and process the tea so that it becomes different types, like white tea or yellow tea. I've selected a green tea from China, Longqing, and I've steeped it for just about a minute and a half. And this I'm putting on a little tea bowl. These are tea tasters' cups and bowls that are used by professional tea tasters throughout the world. And the oolong tea that I brewed for a little bit longer, about 2.5 minutes. And this is a nice full leaf tea, but it's hand rolled. And my third tea is a black tea from China, from the Yunnan district, and that is the area where tea was first discovered. Now, once the tea has strained out of the tea cup into the bowl, we gently press on the bottom of the cup so that the tea leaf can come out and you can then see the wetted leaf. And make sure to drain it. If you do have these sets, please make sure to drain it real well so that you don't scald your hand with the hot tea. And look how full that oolong came out. Again, these tea leaves are all from the same plant, the Camellia sinensis. And the Yunnan has a very rich red color in the wetted leaf. Oops, I just spilled some of the leaf into the bowl. Well, now that I've brewed all three of these teas, the green tea from China, Longqing, and the oolong from Taiwan, and the black tea from the Yunnan area of China also, I'd like to just tell you a little bit about them when I taste them. So what people do in the professional industry is they always smell the dry leaf first. I'm not going to put my nose to it now because I just want you to know the different procedures. Then they smell the wetted leaf, and then they take their actual tea tasting spoon, which looks like a soup spoon, and they slurp it back to the top of their mouth, and then they spit it out. I'm not going to spit it out. I'm just going to swallow it and enjoy the flavor of it. But it's quite all right to make that noise, that slurping sound. Now, this green tea has a very delicate vegetative taste, something that I enjoy quite a lot with rice and Asian food. I'm going to go on to the oolong one. I'm not going to smell each one, but I just want to taste it so I can tell you what you can expect from some of these. Oh my goodness, the Taiwanese oolong is so gentle to my palate and sweet in flavor. Now, with the Yunnan, I'm expecting something quite different because it's a black tea. The black tea has a very slight smoky taste to it, but it's rich and has a nice full feel in your mouth. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. I want to raise my bowl of tea to you. Cheers.